The universe is a vast and ancient stage, and on this stage, countless stories have unfolded. Most are silent, played out in the cold vacuum of space, but here, on this small blue world, a spectacular drama has been running for billions of years. The story of life. It is a story of breathtaking innovation, of creatures great and small adapting to a changing world. But it is punctuated by moments of unimaginable terror, mass extinctions. Let us turn back the pages and witness the greatest survival stories ever told. Our story begins about 445 million years ago, during the Ordovician period. The land was mostly empty, life thrived in the seas. Vast shallow seas hosted trilobites, strange drifting graptolites, and great coral reefs. Then the climate shifted. A sudden ice age took hold. Glaciers locked up water, sea levels fell by nearly 100 meters, shallow habitats vanished, multitudes were left with nowhere to go. Then came a sudden warming. Oxygen-poor waters rose, suffocating the survivors. In 2 deadly pulses, about 85% of marine species were lost. Entire families, trilobites, brachiopods, graptolites, wiped out or diminished. Yet some endured in deeper, colder refuges, and life began to recover. We leap forward to the end of the Permian, about 252 million years ago. Life had conquered land and sea, forests sprawled, synapsids dominated, oceans teemed. Then the earth tore open in Siberia. A flood of basalt began. For hundreds of thousands of years, eruptions pumped carbon dioxide, methane, and toxic gases. Temperatures soared. A runaway greenhouse gripped the continents. The oceans absorbed CO2, turned acidic, and shells dissolved. Warmer waters lost oxygen. Vast anoxic dead zones spread. Ecosystems collapsed from the bottom up. 96% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial vertebrates were lost. Trilobites vanished. Forests fell silent. A remnant endured, synapsids and archosaurs, inheriting an emptied world. From these few lineages the next chapters of life would be written. The great dying was over. The scars would shape the world to come. In the Triassic, survivors repopulated a strange, recovering world. Archosaurs flourished, crocodile-like reptiles and the first dinosaurs. In the seas, new reefs formed, ichthyosaurs ruled. Then Pangaea began to tear, birthing the Atlantic. The Central Atlantic magmatic province erupted for hundreds of thousands of years. Temperatures spiked, oceans acidified, ecosystems reeled, competitors fell away, vacant roles appeared. Dinosaurs, perhaps aided by efficient breathing systems, survived. With the field cleared, they stepped into the spotlight. For 150 million years, dinosaurs reigned in a warm, lush, stable world. Giants strode the land, tyrants hunted, pterosaurs soared, mosasaurs ruled the seas. Mammals, our ancestors, kept to the dark, waiting. 66 million years ago, a mountain-sized rock arrived. It struck the Yucatan, releasing unimaginable energy. Molten debris re-entered, igniting forests across continents. Ocean walls thundered ashore. A long impact winter began. Sunlight faded. Photosynthesis stalled. Herbivores starved. Carnivores followed. A hostile, freezing world ended the dinosaurs' reign. About 75% of species vanished. Mighty mosasaurs and pterosaurs disappeared. Ancient ammonites finally ended. But, underground, in water, and among branches, small survivors endured. The age of mammals began. After each cataclysm, when the dust settles and fires burn out, a new world dawns. Quiet, empty, haunted by ghosts, but not dead. In shadows and burrows, survivors wait. Generalists like brachiopods and bivalves endured the Ordovician shocks, keeping seas complex. Their survival paved the way for jawed fish, our distant ancestors. After the Great Dying, pig-sized lystrosaurs became disaster fauna, thriving when little else could. Alongside them, the first archosaurs, dinosaurs, crocodile ancestors, and the first birds. After the impact, small size, warm blood, and flexible diets let mammals seize the day. The Quaternary, beginning about 2.6 million years ago, cycled through ice and thaw, and giants walked. Mammoths with sweeping tusks, saber-toothed cats, towering ground sloths. As ice retreated, habitats transformed, cold-adapted species lost ground. Then came Homo sapiens. Across continents, extinctions often shadowed our arrival. Climate stress plus hunting pressure, together, pushed many over the brink. Unlike earlier events, this extinction targeted megafauna, and for the first time, one species played a lead role. mammoths, mastodons, saber-toothed cats disappeared. A bridge to our human-driven crisis today. A sobering prologue to what might come next. The 5 great extinctions were cosmic accidents and geological inevitabilities. Today, scientists warn we are in a 6th mass extinction, unfolding now. This time, the cause is not a mystery. It is us. We fragment habitats, heat the planet, pollute and overfish the seas, and spread invasive species. Change now races in a geological blink, compressing catastrophe into centuries. Rapid change links every great extinction. The difference is that this time, we are the asteroid. Yet we are also the first species to understand, and the only one with the power to stop it. We have journeyed across 500 million years, through worlds risen and fallen. We are the descendants of an unbroken line of survivors, living proof of life's resilience. That legacy gives us perspective and responsibility. Biodiversity is our life support, clean air and water, food, and climate stability. Every species loss severs a thread, weakening the whole. We are not separate from nature. Saving it is saving ourselves. The symphony of life can fade, or swell more vibrant than ever. Our cosmic journey continues. The next chapter is up to us.